How to fix Bumble app not working. Is your app not working? Don't panic. Let's fix it in just a few quick steps. Check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Sometimes just switching network does the trick. Restart the app, close Bumble completely and reopen it. If it still does not load, move to next step. Update the app. Go to App Store and search for Bumble and see if there is an update button. An outdated app often causes problem. If it's still not working, restart your phone. Sometimes a simple reboot fix everything. Uninstall and reinstall the app. If not working, delete Bumble and reinstall it. Don't worry, your account and messages are safe. And that's it. Your Bumble account should now be up and running smoothly. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helps, make sure to like and subscribe. Check out for more quick guides. Catch you in the next one.